Good morning everyone, it's Gary from Gary Fullwood Design Living, and I thought I had to share this live video this morning. I just had to do it because it's been such a long time in the waiting. Since lockdown happened, we've had lots of clients with their builds have been on hold, have been on pause because kitchen products can't turn up, bathroom products can't turn up. So it's just like one of them, another V-Day for us here at Gary Fullwood Design Living, because we've got a client that is just absolutely ecstatic, absolutely over the moon. This has been about weeks of building up and anticipation for a kitchen to be delivered, and we finally got it delivered this morning. So we're really looking forward to getting cracking and getting started with our first kitchen out of lockdown. Yes! So I just wanted to share this video. More importantly, I want to share this video because I actually unloaded the kitchen. It's been a long time since I've got my hands dirty and started unloading a kitchen and get it all prepared for a client, but I did do that. I've done it with the help of George, obviously. I didn't do it all on my own, but I will spin the camera around as I always do and show you the kitchen delivery, because I'm quite proud of the fact that it's turned up. I'm proud that I've unloaded it, but I just want to show you the space because this is going to be a work in process. We've got Ed, our super kitchen fitter, will be in here on tomorrow, hopefully getting things started. So we're really looking forward to Ed getting in here and working his magic and bringing this kitchen to life. So let me just spin this camera around, and there you go. Look at that. That is the kitchen delivery that's turned up. Really excited that it's finally got here. The building team that are here, they've been anticipating this turn up as well. But yeah, so let me just come round. So I just want to show you the space that it's going into. So that's the kitchen, and all of them units are all going to be going into this beautiful open space here. So I'm not going to tell you the colour of the kitchen because I'm going to save that for a surprise, because it's going to be absolutely beautiful and amazing. But yeah, so there you go. That's the start of this new kitchen project, our first project to get back under the way since the lockdown. So we're really, really proud of that. And I'm really excited to get this going and get things moving. So really looking forward to that. So I thought I'd share that live video with you this morning. Hope you're just as excited as me, but I don't think anyone is going to be as excited as the customer for this kitchen to finally get up and running. We just can't wait. So looking forward to it. So I thought I'd share that with you guys this morning. Early morning, Gary's done his workout. Didn't need to go to the gym this morning because I've unloaded all that kitchen and we're ready to rock and roll. So I'll keep you updated as always. I'll pop back later in the week or beginning of next week just to show you how the kitchen's coming along, how it's developing, and give you a little sneaky preview into the colour of this beautiful new kitchen that we are doing in Bushy. So have an amazing day, guys. Thanks for watching, and I shall speak to you soon. Bye bye.